Data and metrics on their own often don't give stakeholders the clear picture they need. When velocity slows down or cycle time goes up, people want to understand what's happening, not just see the numbers. That's where AI-generated narratives come in. They take complex analytics and turn them into simple, meaningful stories that explain what changed and why it matters. Rather than just showing a chart, these narrative systems translate data patterns into messages that connect directly to the business, helping everyone make sense of the numbers through a clear story. They highlight trends, contributing factors, and likely impacts on delivery. This reduces the need for manual report writing while improving consistency across updates. Natural language generation links metrics with context, such as technical debt work, team availability, or dependency delays. It presents these insights in a straightforward way that different audiences can understand. When used well, narrative analytics help Agile teams communicate transparently, reduce misinterpretation, and ensure that decisions are based on both data and context. Natural language generation, NLG, produces written explanations directly from Agile data. Two approaches are common. Template-based systems use predefined sentence structures that fill in metrics, such as percentage changes or contributing factors. This ensures clarity and consistency across sprint reports. Dynamic generation takes a more flexible approach by creating original explanations based on patterns in the data. It adapts language to reflect conditions like sudden drops in throughput or improving defect trends. NLG also adjusts tone and detail for different audiences. Developers may receive technical details about code complexity or review delays, while leadership may see summaries focused on delivery risk and capacity outlook. This ability to tailor explanations ensures that stakeholders receive the right information without overwhelming detail. As models learn from past outputs and feedback, their explanations become clearer, more accurate, and more aligned with team expectations. Narrative analytics turns Agile metrics into meaningful stories. Velocity trends become more useful when paired with context, such as infrastructure work, onboarding, or dependency issues. Instead of simply showing a decrease, narrative tools explain the reason behind the shift and its projected impact. Burndown charts benefit from similar translation, where AI identifies early sprint slowdowns or late accelerations and connects them to real conditions. Risk assessments also become clearer through narrative framing. AI can transform probability values into statements about likelihood, potential blockers, and available mitigation paths. This raises visibility without requiring stakeholders to interpret statistical outputs themselves. Storytelling bridges the gap between raw analytics and decision-ready insights, improving conversations around scope, expectations, and trade-offs. It helps teams stay aligned on not just what is happening, but what to do next. Implementing narrative analytics involves three key steps: integration, quality control, and continuous improvement. Today, many modern business intelligence tools and Agile analytics platforms come with built-in natural language generation features. This means that text explanations can appear right alongside your charts, making the data easier to understand. By connecting these tools with your project management systems, the insights update automatically whenever sprint data refreshes. However, quality control is still critical. Teams need to review and validate that the generated explanations accurately represent both the data and the specific context of the project. This ensures the narratives remain reliable and meaningful. Validation rules help flag unusual or unclear interpretations for human review. Training the system with high-quality examples improves accuracy and alignment with team language. Over time, models can adapt to team terminology, common dependencies, and typical sprint patterns. Narrative analytics should enhance, not replace, team judgment. Use AI to generate baseline explanations while reserving complex interpretation for experienced team members. This blended approach ensures accuracy, transparency, and trust while reducing time spent crafting manual reports.